These are the Powerbeats Pro 2. Let's unbox them together. This is the latest premium fitness earbud from Beats, and with the new version, they also released a brand new set of colors. I really like the way that this orange one looks. Now, the case is a little bit large. I'm comparing it to my Beats Fit Pro, but that's because it's packing a lot of extra battery features, including USB-C plug-in for wire charging or wireless charging to give you up to 45 hours of total playback if you turn off active noise canceling, or 36 hours with active noise canceling on. Inside, you find the product documentation and more sizes for the earbud covers so that you can make sure that you have a proper fit. And fit is very important with these ones because this ear hook design allows the earbuds to stay very securely to your ears even when you're doing intense workout. And check this out. This is something that you don't often see on wireless earbuds. That's a heart rate sensor. So you can track your heart rate during workouts. Setup is very quick and easy. Even if you're on Android devices, you can still set it up very simply. And then you can dial in some customizations in the settings, like doing an ear tip test to make sure you pick the right size for the shape of your unique ear. And you can customize different settings related to the physical buttons on the device and the overall audio experience. That is a very quick introduction to the brand new Powerbeats Pro 2. Let me know what you think in the comments, and for a more detailed review, check out my website, geekingout.ca.